just landed in Prague. We checked into our hotel. We're here for 3 days, so it's Friday today and we're here for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I'm gonna be vlogging it for you guys because I haven't uploaded a video in ages and this is kind of what I do here now. So we are just walking around like the main square. You can see behind me, I'll give you a little tour in a sec. I don't know if this is the main square, it's a part of it, but so far, beautiful. It's a little bit better. Yeah, we're just walking along the bridge now. It is packed full of people, but it's so pretty, so pretty. Just a little Insta pic. But Prague just in general is so beautiful. We went for lunch in like a little underground place and I had goulash, and like we just had all sort of traditional Czech food and Czech beers, and yeah, it was really nice. I didn't really film it, I took some pictures, but I didn't really film it, I just went to have lunch. And yeah, now I'll show you some of the bridge. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Prague and we are walking up all the stairs to the castle, to Prague Castle. Yeah, we've, oh my god, it's such a nice view. We've been for breakfast this morning in the hotel, and yeah, now we're just gonna go for a walk up to the castle, go see it, and then maybe go for lunch at an old monastery, which is now also a brewery or something. I'll take you with me. Yeah, so it's quite a big walk up here, but I cannot wait for the views of Prague once we get to the top. To the top. The stairs weren't actually that bad. I thought it would be way worse than that. We're going into the Villa. What's it called? Villa Richter restaurant to have a look at the view. Lunch by the monastery. The good bit in the background. So we're just having lunch by the monastery. I don't know what this place is actually called, but it's a brewery, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. And it's a brewery. So we've got beers and we're waiting on our proper Czech food, and I'll show you when it gets there. so we picked up Julian, got the tube to Jules, got the tram to Jules, and now we've come to the Jewish area to have a walk around and get some brunch. So beautiful here. I would definitely recommend visiting, and it's a lot more quiet than like the old town area as well. So beautiful.